your lots so that you do not lose a lot of money. Now I'll close this one. I just close that one. Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can trade using Deriv cTrader. So this app is on Play Store. You can download it and start trading. So after downloading it, this will be your dashboard, and let's say that you have Chrome. So just log into your account on Chrome before you open Deriv cTrader. As you can see, here is the side for CFDs. You just open it and then scroll down. You will see Deriv cTrader. So if you don't have an account, create using the link in the description. So just tap on the get. You'll see a similar get button as the one you can see, and it will be located here. Just open it, and then after opening it, then you can download the app and log in using your email and password. So after opening, you will see this as your account. You can fund your account and then you can start trading using Deriv cTrader. So Deriv cTrader is a bit better than when you compare it to MT5. I find it to be at least better. So let's say that you want to open a market. So I just choose this market, and then we'll see how it looks like. This one, multi-step 2. So we have a market, and then I also have some indicators that I have set I use to analyze the market. Now this is the market. As you can see it, this is the market. So we have the chart. We also have, you can buy and sell, just as you can see there. Now when you buy, it means that you are predicting the market to go up. You sell, you mean that the market will go down. Now to open the full chart, we have somewhere here. You just tap it and then you can open the full chart. So I want to see how the full chart is doing. Now using these indicators, when the two lines cross, you enter an opposite trade. So this is a secret strategy that you can use to trade this market. Now I just choose another market, and then I will see the one that has crossed. So let's go back and choose another market. So here I can choose this one and see whether it has crossed. Now this is an example of a market that has crossed the two lines. I can just choose the quantity here, the one that I need to buy, and then I'll buy just immediately. Now I want to reduce the risk, so it is a bit good. Then I'll buy that instantly. So I can open it, the full market, and then we can see how it is doing. Now this is the full market. So I can show you how these indicators, you can add them. So the indicators are just located here. You see we have an F somewhere there. That is an F. So you just long press, and then you can see the indicators that I have added. So make sure that you search for the time series moving average, then enter these settings 14 and then the shift to 0. Then we have the other one. The other one is a simple moving average. Now I want to long press, also enter 14 0. Those are the settings that you need to enter, and then after entering them, you can just use the indicator to predict the market. So these indicators will help you to make a lot of money on these markets. So you can use them if you don't have an experience in trading. So this is the position. You just need to wait it, and then it will just move from the negative to the positive side. So this negative, it is because of the commission. It will start on the negative side because of that commission that they charge on each trade. So just be patient, it will just move back to where we have a positive side. Now I just if you need to see your positions, you can see them here. We have the position, and then you can just scroll that way to see other futures. So we have also the history. I will not cover that, but if you don't have an experience in trading, so we have some free analytics people who analyze the market, and then they provide those free signals. So you just open it, and then you can just trade it automatically. Now here you can just scroll down. You just scroll down, you try to find a signal. Now this signal has been passed with time, but if you just need to enter it, you just tap on the buy icon, and then this buy, and then you will enter that trade just immediately. Now you can just scroll down and try to find a signal that you can enter. Most of these signals might not work during the weekends. As you can see, today is on my weekend and it may not work. So I can just try to do this one. I just press on the sell, and then we can see, but the quantity, make sure you edit it, because these markets are a bit risky. You can open the position and see how it's doing. Now you can see this one is moving a lot. Now make sure that you edit. Make sure that you edit your lots, because if you are not willing to lose a lot of money, then you need to edit your lots so that you do not lose a lot of money. Now I'll close this one. I just close that one, and then I leave that one. So this will still go up. I just wait for it. So if you don't have an account, create using the link in the description. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.